Hello again, guys. Pompey Pigger back again. So today I have this 6-lever Securit padlock, and I saw it on I saw Coxey's Picks have a go at one of these, and yeah, it looks quite an interesting lock. So I thought I'd purchase one, and I thought I'd give it a go with the Andy Mac lever padlock tools, and see what we can do. Picked it a couple of times before. It can play up sometimes, so this could either go very well or very badly. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So plenty of room with the pick wire there. So one of the selection that comes with Andy's padlock picking tools. So we'll start at the back, and we'll try and find that back lever and work our way forward. Just looking for a bit of reaction on the tension tool. There's a tiny bit of movement there. Some of the levers dropping back down, so I'll just give it a bit more tension. And it's just a case of going fishing, really, fishing through the pack, and see what we can get. So I like to increase the tension a little bit there, because some of the levers are dropping down, as I said. I don't think we're too far away, apart from that one dropping back down. And there we go, pops open just like that. So yeah, that's the Securit 6-lever padlock. That's the bitting of the key. Let's just show you that we're all open. But yeah, it's a fully working lock. And I'll have a quick look inside. You can't actually see the levers on this one. There's a great big blocking bar inside there, so I guess that stops any bypass method that some people use. But yeah, it's a nice solid, chunky, weighty lock. One thing Coxey did do when I watched his channel is he picked it in reverse. So I'm gonna tell you what, I'll open it back up and see if I can lock it up with the pick. So we'll open that. So what we have to do is obviously put tension on the bolt to lock, but still pick from the front of the pack. So it's kind of a bit tricky because it's a bit back to front, but we'll see what we can do. If I can hold it. So this is trickier than it looks. Slight bit of movement there. Just fishing for the binders or any reaction there. Not far away, I don't think. Oh, all the way around. That's as trickier than Coxie made it look. Oh, and there we go. So we'll look back up. Yeah, gives a little bit of a challenge locking it back up, but yeah, Handy Max lever lock picking tools and the Securit 6-lever padlock. One more thing I wanted to show you guys today, which I purchased from a chap that I met on one of their lockpicking Facebook forums, and is this little beauty. I think it must be some kind of safety deposit box padlock, or sorry, lock. It's Yale. I have taken it apart, hoping to rekey it, but I can't actually find any key blanks or keys that will actually fit these keyways. This side is actually picked. I've yet to pick this side to actually get there to throw the bolt back, but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. As I say, Yale, and yeah, you have to obviously, you know, it's a 2-key operating lock. Took me a while to work out that the right hand lock opened in the opposite direction to the one on the left, so but yeah, thanks to Kieran, that's an absolute beauty. But yeah, that's about all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon.